everybody, welcome back. Today as well you have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can restart phone without power button. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that matter, it's very easy. For iPhone, what you can do, you can go to the settings, then go to general, then scroll to the bottom and go ahead, tap on shutdown. Tomorrow will shut down, and if you want to simply turn it on, simply go ahead and plug it into the charger to turn it back on. That works. Next is go to AssistiveTouch. To access AssistiveTouch, go to the settings. Once you are in the settings section, go ahead, go to the accessibility, then tap on this option of touch, then go to AssistiveTouch on top, then tap on the floating menu, then tap on device. Once tap on device, then tap on more. Then tap on more, and then you can tap on restart again. Those are the two options for you to do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.